back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on Sunday August 1st to Saturday August 7, 2021. And today we have so many items and deals today, so stay tuned. And these all the product it's free plus $12 money maker. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is if you have $5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB, and buy 2 select Colgate toothbrush and mouthwash and get back $5 ECB. Both has a limit 2 per household. I buy 4 Colgate Total Whitening Paste 3.3 OZ. It's $3.99 each, so totals come out $15.96. Also, I buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city. It's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. So the totals come out $24.94. I have 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, I use 4 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. Use 150 of Colgate digital coupon. Use $1 of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available and it's expired on 7/24. Also, I use $1 of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon, but that coupon is also expired on 7/24. So my total coupon is $12.50. I just paid $12.44 and get back $10 ECB for the toothpaste and get back $5 ECB for the toothbrush. So my final cost is free plus $2.56 money maker. My next deal is Johnson Ovino Distine and Baby Care product deal. Spend $25 on baby care product and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. In this transaction, I buy 2 Johnson Baby Lotion 16.9 OZ. It's $8.98. It's $5.99 each. It's buy one get one 50% off. Also, I buy 2 Johnson Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo 16.9 FLOZ. It's $8.98. It's also $5.99 each. Also, I buy 2 Johnson Baby Wipe 25 CT. It's $7.78. It's $5.19 each. So my totals come out $25.74. I use $3 of $15 Baby Care Wash CVS CRT. Also, I use $2 of $6 Baby Wipes, any Baby Wipe CVS CRT. Also, I use $1 of Johnson product digital coupon, and I use $1 of Johnson product printable coupon on coupon.com. If your store allow multiple coupon, you can use this multiple coupon. So my total coupon is $10. I just pay $15.74 and get back $7 ECB, plus you can earn $10 Visa credit for the Johnson rebate. I just put the link in my description below for the rebate. So my final cost is free after the rebate plus $1.26 money maker. So I can show you my receipt on both transaction for this product. Here is my receipt. I buy 2 Colgate toothbrush. It's $4.49. Also, I buy 4 Colgate total toothpaste. Is $3.99. Also, I buy 2 Johnson Head to Toe Wash, $5.99, and another one is half off. Also, I buy 2 Johnson Baby Lotion. One is half off, is $2.99, and also I buy the Johnson Baby Wipe. It's $5.19, and the another one is half off. Also, in this transaction, I use 4 Johnson printable coupon, $1 off. Also, I use $1 of the Colgate toothbrush. I use 2. Also, I use the 1 Colgate toothpaste printable coupon. Also, I use 4 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. Use 1 Johnson product digital coupon and use 150 of Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Also, I have the CRT 5 of 25, 3 of 15, and 2 of 6. So I use my extra buck. I didn't pay anything out of pocket. I just pay with my cash, and I just give it to my 2% back extra buck, but they not use. So I didn't use in this transaction because there's it's already like it's my total is 0, that's why. So my final cost, all this product is free plus money maker deal on this product. My next deal is hair care deal. If you have 3 of 18 hair care and 5 of 20 Nexus hair care CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Spend 25 on Nexus and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household, and buy 2 L'Oreal hair care and get back $3 ECB. This one also has a limit 1 per household. So I buy 2 Nexus Scalp Foam Shampoo 6.7 oz. It's $24.98. It's $12.49 each. Also I buy 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoo. It's $8. It's 2 for $8. Also I buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo. It's $7. It's 2 for $7. So my totals come out $39.98. I have 1 5 of 20 Nexus hair care CVS CRT. Also I use 1 3 of 18 any hair care CVS CRT. Use 1 3 of 3 nail and hair care CVS CRT. Also I use $8 of 2 Nexus digital coupon, and 1 I use the printable. The digital is going to glitch. Also the same thing, it's $3 of 2 L'Oreal hair care digital coupon, and 1 I use the printable. The digital coupon is glitch with the printable coupon. Also I use $1 of Garnier hair care digital coupon, and 1 I use the printable coupon. So my total coupon is $35. I just pay only $4.98 and get back $10 ECB for the Nexus and get back $3 ECB for the L'Oreal. Plus I earn $3 beauty reward. So my final cost is on free plus $11.02 money maker. If you didn't use the $8 of 2 Nexus digital coupon, you can must buy this product and you get the money maker deal if you have 5 of 20 L'Oreal and Nexus CVS CRT. This is my different card. I use my before $8 of 2, but this is my different card and I didn't use that card, and I have so good CRT on this card today, so I use this one on this week. So this is my money maker deal for today. My next deal is select Silk or Skintimate product deal. Buy 2 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 1 Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill. It's $12.49, but that one it's not included. That is my mistake because this is select. But I see the tag is hanging on this product, so I purchased this one, but they not printed my extra buck. So I can tell you after that the transaction. Also I buy 1 Silk Extreme 5-man pivot ball refill. It's $10.79. So my totals come out $23.48. I have 1 5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. I have 1 $4 of Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill CVS CRT. Also I have 1 $3 of Silk Extreme 5 refill or razor CVS CRT, and I use 2 $3 of Silk or Skintimate disposable printable coupon. That coupon is expired on 7/25. So my total coupon is $18. I just pay only $5.48 and get back $10 ECB. So my final cost is free plus $4.52 money maker. But if you're doing this deal, don't buy the Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill because that is not included in this part of the deal. So I just asked to my cashier, it's not extra buck printed, so she checked and I say it's not, they have the label over there, so I just purchased and it's not printed my extra buck. That's not my fault though. So she's very nice to me and she printed my $10 extra buck. So if you want to do this, don't buy the Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill because I check after the home come, and this one it's not included for the $10 deal. So I can show you my receipt in this transaction. I buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo, it's $3, 2 for $7. Also I buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo, it's 2 for $8. Also I buy 1 Silk Extreme Pivot refill, it's $10.79, and I buy 2 Nexus foam shampoo, it's $12.49, and 1 I buy the Silk Extreme Hydro Silk 3 refill, it's $12.49. So in this transaction I use $1 of the printable coupon for the Garnier, $3 for the I use $3 of the Sick product. I use $8 of 2 Nexas product. I use $8 of 2 digital and $3 of the L'Oreal, and one I use the printable for the L'Oreal. So in this transaction, I use the 5 of 20 CVS CRT, 5 of 20 Nexas CVS CRT, $4 of Sick Hydrosick 3 refill CVS CRT, 3 of 18 CVS CRT, $3 of Sick Extreme 5 pivot ball refill CVS CRT, and $3 of 3 nail and hair care CVS CRT. I use my $10 extra buck, so I just pay only 26 cents plus tax. So my final cost, all this product is huge money maker, almost like $10 money maker in this deal after the extra buck. My next deal is NYX Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 NYX Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 2 NYX lip liner. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. I have $2 of NYX Cosmetic CVS CRT. So my total coupon is $4. I just pay $5.98 and get back $6 ECB. So my final cost is free after the CVS CRT. My next deal is Micro Gold Multi-Action Spray deal. Buy 1 Micro Gold spray and get back $9 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $9.99 each. I buy 1 Micro Gold Multi-Action spray. It's $9.99. I use $2 of Micro Gold printable coupon. I put the link in my description below. So you need to email them on the Micro Gold so they can send you the coupon back after a few minutes. So I just pay only $7.99 for this product and get back $9 ECB. So my final cost is free plus $1.01 money maker. My next deal is 1 by Poisis pad or liner deal. I buy 1 by Poisis pad. It's $7.99. I use $3 of 1 by Poisis printable coupon, so I pay only $4.99. But you can get 5,000 points for the fetch reward. So my final cost is free after the fetch reward. So I can show you my receipt on this transaction. Here is my receipt. I buy 1 monofoil multi-action spray. It's $9.99. Also I buy 1 by Poisis. It's $7.99. And I buy 2 NYX Cosmetic. It's $4.99 each. So I use $3 of 1 by Poisis printable coupon and use $2 of Micro Gold printable coupon. Also I have 2 CRT, $2 of NYX Professional Makeup CVS CRT. So I pay my $10 and $9 extra bucks, so I didn't pay anything out of pocket. So my final cost, all this product is free plus money maker deal. My next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic and Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB, or buy 3 and get back $8 ECB. It's limit up to $8. And buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. Both has a limit 1 per household. So in this transaction I buy 3 L'Oreal Paris mascara. It's $27.87. It's $9.29 each. Also I buy 1 Maybelline Fit Me tinted moisturizer. It's $9.99. Also I buy 1 Maybelline lipstick. It's $10.29. So my totals come out $48.15. I use 8 of 25 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 5 of 20 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $2 of Maybelline Fit Me digital coupon and use $2 of Maybelline eye or lip printable coupon on coupon.com. Also I use $2 of L'Oreal eye digital coupon and I use 2 L'Oreal Paris eye cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. So my total coupon is $23. I just paid $25.15 and get back $8 ECB for the L'Oreal and $5 ECB for the Maybelline. Plus you can earn $2 Ibotta credit for the Maybelline Fit Me tinted moisturizer. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So my final cost, all this product, it's only just $7.15 or $1.43 each. My next deal, it's 4 deal. Buy 2 Cheetos Puff Snacks, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. I use one buy one get one free snack item up to $5. It's took $3.99 off. I just pay only $3.99. So my final cost is only just $1.99 each. If you use the last week buy one get one free snack item, it's both candy free. It's amazing deal, but I didn't use my one of card, so I decided to buy the Cheetos. My daughter, she loved this one, so I buy the Cheetos, so she's happy. So I didn't use in my one of the cards, so my final cost is only just $1.99. So I can show you my receipt on both transaction. So here is my receipt. I buy 3 L'Oreal mascara, it's $9.29. Also, I buy 1 L'Oreal Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer, it's $9.99. Also, I buy 1 Maybelline lipstick, it's $10.29. And buy 2 Cheetos snacks, it's $3.99 each. So here I use the $2 off for the L'Oreal, $2 for the Maybelline, $2 for the digital for the L'Oreal cosmetic, and $2 for the Maybelline Fit Me for the digital coupon. Also, I use the BOGO free snacks. It's took $3.99. I use $8 of 25 L'Oreal cosmetic CVS CRT, 5 of 20 Maybelline cosmetic CVS CRT, and I just pay with my extra bucks, so I pay only just 27 cents plus taxes. So all these product after the ECB, I just pay only like $6 and $8. So my final cost is only just $1.99 each after the ECB and after the beauty reward. So friend, this is my this week CVS couponing haul. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.